Welcome back guys. Today I will show you how to set steering control buttons with the Android head unit. So for that you need to navigate to apps, then go to car settings, scroll down to steering learn. Okay, so for now I have set my Android head unit with the steering controls. So for that I would reset the settings and select each button manually. So here I have cleared the status. Now let's select each button manually. So first I would be selecting back button. So select back and just press this. So as you can see, the setup is success. Similarly, all those keys could be set whichever function you want. So selecting next key. So here it is. I selected next and clicked this. So as you can see, the setup is success. Similarly, I would set up all the keys quickly. This was for mode. Now let's select volume up. So here it is. Now volume down. Here it is. Now mute, and I would also like to select power button, as this Android units gets locked if we press the power button. So I would like to add those functions with my mute key. So here it is, power button and mute. Setup success. Okay, so next thing goes the Bluetooth controls. So one is to pick up the call, one is to drop the call, and other one is to turn on and off the Bluetooth. So what I'm going to do is to turn on and off the Bluetooth. I can do it from the screen. So I would select this particular key for playing or pausing the music. So let's set up this. So I selected this. So okay, so here is the key. Now I would select this key. Okay, so setup success. So next is to pick up the call. So selecting this. Now okay, and the last key to hang up the call. Here it is. Okay, so as you can see, all the keys are now set up. So let's check it one by one. So here is the volume up key, volume down key, then the next key. So I'll just turn off the volume and go to music player. So yeah, here it is. Next key, left key, yeah, then mute, yeah. The next are the Bluetooth phones. So what you can do is, if you click on this, you can see the Bluetooth function comes out. Yeah. So here you can connect your phone or dial a number and call. And this function is for play and pause. So you can check this over here. So I am clicking this button to play the music. Here it is. Or I can pause it with this button. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.